Hey there, I'm Travis Cawthorn with Kramer rAVe here at InfoComm 2026. And here at our matrix wall, we've got a lot of different HDMI matrices. But I want to highlight our new MTX3-44-HSA. Why is this so important, cool, new here at InfoComm? So for one, this is a new 4x4. We also have the 8x8, but it's a scaling HDMI matrix. So what's important about that is every single output has a scaling a scaler at each output. So your switch is going to be seamless. So if I switch between the images here or sources, you can see it's a direct cut switch. Much nicer for end user experience. It is a matrix, so you do have 4 different outputs. This kind of replaces our VS44 and 88 H2As. So if you would like to get some more information about our new MTX3-44-HSA, reach out to us at kramerAV.com. Thanks for stopping by.